All right, so today I am going to redo my table. Here's the table here. Right now it is wood. Well, it's gonna stay wood, but this is wood. It is probably about 5 years old, so I'm ready to do something different. Here is what I'm gonna use to prime with today. This is my primer. I'm gonna use this roller to kind of help. So you always wanna shake it up very, 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 very well. Also want to show you guys really quick the plastic here. You want to make sure that you line your table up pretty well so when it drips, it doesn't drip down the sides too bad. I also prepped my floor properly, so it's just a little drop cloth with some plastic. I'm getting ready to prime right now. Again, this is my primer. I did get this primer from Home Depot, and it's about $15 for this jug here, okay? Always make sure that you prime well. Make sure you put enough, especially with big tables. I want to show you a close-up video of it being primed. You want to make sure you prime very well when you are doing your table. You can kind of see close up. You want to prime very well. You shouldn't see any of the wood at all. So I do see a few spots, and maybe you can too, about right here. Well, we just need to put a second coat. So I'm gonna let it dry. Normally you wanna let it dry for probably about 24 hours. Now, I will say when I have used this primer, it does not take 24 hours to dry. And if you have a fan on it, it's even better. So I've been able to complete tables in about 3 hours max. So it's kind of your preference, but I'm gonna come back in probably about 30 minutes to an hour and prime it one more time. It's beautiful. This is Graphite Black number 401. Beautiful color. So I'm gonna be putting that in there. Then I'm gonna mix these two colors to make a turquoise look, and this one is turquoise and this one here is azure. So we're gonna mix these two together. I'm trying to get a little more bluish in my turquoise, so that's why I'm mixing those. And this is a beautiful, beautiful gray, silver. This is called Silver Ash. So what I'm going to be doing is this is going to be the entire color of the table. Then we're going to mix this color, pour it in the middle, and then we're going to kind of outline it a little bit with this black. So I'll show you the colors in just a moment. So we are at exactly 2.5 here. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add my color. So as you see, this is very, very small. So you want to just kind of gauge it. I'm not going to scoop as far as how many scoops. I'm just going to pour. You want to make sure you have a pretty color. But you want to mix your resin very, very well. So this is what it looks like as you're stirring. Very beautiful gray color. So you can kind of see that. You want to go until you see no more of those bubbles. All right, guys, so I am ready to pour. Here's my gray here. I'm ready to pour. So here we go. Absolutely love it. Just show you guys. You can actually see the glitter in it. I absolutely love this. So I got the colors. These are the exact colors of my house. This is exactly what I wanted my table to look like. If you guys want to take a closer look. Look at the design in there, and it evened out very, very well. The resin did, and of course the resin will even out some more, so it'll probably look different tomorrow when I get up. But I absolutely love this look, and I did not want to put any browns or coppers in here because I don't have these colors in my house. But if you look at my kitchen area, it actually goes perfect. So there's my table. As you see here, the resin is still dripping, so it's gonna probably drip for a few days until it's absolutely dry. And this is one reason why you want to leave your plastic down, so when you tear off from the inside of the table, not the out, so therefore the resin doesn't dry with the table. All right, so there you have it. All right, guys, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.